you know potential has their own. Oh yes, some credentials. I'm doing this and I don't need no confirmation. I'm like that sneaking around looking for validation. Crown my domains on fire. Head on top, and there's a room you don't have to worry about. Some days I see a fresh face and cuts on my face. Sorry, your vision was blurred. You didn't see my words. Now you don't have to watch me cause I didn't know when I wanted to be with you. You never beg, cause you had high standards. You had high standards. Now I'm on my way to the nice thing. Things like following me, you got high standards.
To make sure that everything's alright.
Some people live for fortune. Some people live just for fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play.